learners, welcome back to the Ignored Corner, where we dive into the topics that often go unnoticed but are super important. Today, we're going to talk about a small but crucial detail in C programming, how to treat the constant like 3.14 as a long double. Let's get started. In C programming, we often deal with different types of data. When it comes to floating point numbers, we have several options like float, double, and long double. But what if we specifically want the constant 3.14 to be treated as a long double? Here's how you can do it. By default, when you write 3.14 in your code, C treats it as a double. But if you want it to be a long double, you need to add a specific suffix. What should we do to treat the constant 3.14 as a long double? Here's the syntax. Instead of just writing 3.14, you append an L to it like this, 3.14L. This tells the compiler to treat the constant as a long double. So, why is this important? Long doubles offer more precision than regular doubles, which can be crucial in scientific computations or situations where you need highly accurate results. Let's look at a quick example. Here's how you declare a long double variable and assign it the value 3.14. In this code, pi is a long double and the L suffix ensures that 3.14 is treated as such. And that's it. Just remember to use the L suffix to treat constants as long doubles. It's a simple but powerful trick to ensure your programs use the right data type for precise calculations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on programming. Let us know in the comments what other overlooked topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching The Ignored Corner, and see you next time.